Hi friends, welcome to my channel Chic and Savvy, where we talk about all things relating to planning and budgeting. My name is Carissa, and today we will be doing our weekly spread for the third week of March. St. Patrick's Day is going to be on Monday, so we are doing a St. Patrick's Day theme. Super cute. So we're going to be using my Planner Envy stickers from the subscription box for March, and the whole thing is St. Patrick's Day themed, which I'm really excited about. I'm really liking these greens. But let's go ahead and run through these. This is the deco stickers. I think it's a really unique take on St. Patrick's Day, and I like that the colors aren't so in your face. We have the headers and boxes. It's so cute. We have lists and more boxes. I really like that yellow too. Got the border and some other boxes. And then the bullet points and the days of the week. These are gonna look so cute. I say this in every video, but I'm gonna try not to go overboard, but we'll see what we do. So let's go ahead and light our candle. Perfect. I unfortunately don't have a snack with me today. I am filming this in the morning and I intermittent fast, so I don't eat until noon. So I don't have a snack with me today, which is sad. But I want all of you to grab your breakfast, your morning treat, whenever you're watching this, your dessert, and let's go ahead and just vibe together and get this spread done. All right, so since I've been using these for a while, I kind of already know how I want this to look because she uses the same sticker templates and just changes the theme. So I already know what to expect and kind of where I want things. So today, let's start with the days of the week. I messed this up last week, so let's try not to mess it up this week. I think I'm going to use this yellow one. I've been getting faster at these though, guys. The first time I filmed this, I think my actual film, of course not what I posted, it was like an hour long. But now it's not taking me that long, which is exciting. I think it's because I'm kind of getting the feel of how I want these spreads to look. And I feel like it's a little bit different because, like, again, these all have the same template, so I know what stickers to expect, opposed to using like a sticker book, a different sticker book each time. You don't know what stickers are in there, so you're having to literally create on the spot. And this kind of takes away from that, which is, you know, good and bad, but I like doing it this way. I started on Sunday this time. Last time I messed that up. And so this time we're going to get it right. Perfect. The dogs might go off again, my neighbor's dogs. So if you hear them in the background, I'm so sorry. Hopefully they're not too loud. How was everyone's week? Mine was low-key. It's been rainy here. I live in Arizona. And it's been rainy and cold. But I do have some plans this weekend. Actually, the rest of my month is pretty busy. So I'm hoping that it doesn't continue to rain the way that it has been. But what are your guys' plans? Are you doing anything for St. Patrick's Day? I am not. Perfect. All right, let's go ahead and write the days of the week. March, and then Sunday it is the 16th. Oh, I love these greens. Perfect. All right, it's looking good so far. All right, let's see what I want to do for the border. Definitely gonna use these, but I usually have to cut off part of it. I might think it's okay if some of this hat is cut off. Okay, let's put this one over here. Cut off the excess. What did I cut off? Oh, like a little horseshoe, but it's not that bad. Okay. I definitely can switch it up and put this on this side, but I like it on this side. But that's the beauty of having a planner that's not dated and you kind of make it your own. Oh, is it gonna cut off the whole hat? It might. It's okay. If it cuts off the whole hat, then maybe we can use that part of it. Oh, it's like not enough, but it did cut off the buckle. It's okay. Look at how quick we got that going. Usually that takes me a minute. Okay, now we can focus on this side. I have a rainbow over here. I kind of wanted to use that, but we'll save that. Let's see what other stickers we have. Let's see, we have this one that says luck, which I could use because Lucky is over here. But I know there's a deco sticker that says Lucky. So I gotta take that into account. These are some bigger deco stickers. So like we have this huge rainbow and the word Lucky. I think I want to use the rainbow on actual St. Patrick's Day. Or should I put Lucky right there? You know what? Let's put Lucky down. There we go. It's cute. And then yeah, that looks good. Okay. So I can't use luck on this side either. So I have a few different luck ones. I'll have to save that. I could put something. No, I don't think I want to. I like this one. Let me see what other ones we have. There's this. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do this. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, and then I like a list because I like to track what my lunches are. So could do this green. Don't want to do the rainbow. I feel like I need to break up because this looks a little too similar to that green. Turn this. It's not all the way to the end, but I'm not gonna let that bother me. And then let's put a list. So let's do things to do in yellow. And then let's get some bulletins. Let's do this white. Oh, it's gonna fit. Okay, I was worried it wasn't gonna fit. Perfect. It's looking so cute already. I'm really excited. Okay, so we got our sidebar down. This is going to be for my lunches, and these are just going to be the top things I want to do that week. So let's go ahead and fill out the rest, and then we'll see. Maybe we'll do some check-ins and see what it looks like. All right, guys, I think that we're done. What do you think? Anything backwards this time? Haha. Last time I put this on backwards, but I was like double checking. Everything looks like it's good. I struggled a little bit because a lot of the pictures and deco had the same like design, and I didn't want to like have them all on the same side. So it was a little bit of a tricky placement, but I think I did okay. What do you guys think? I left boxes open. I tried to leave as much space open as I could, but it still looks busy. But who am I kidding? But this is how I'm liking my spreads so far. But what do your guys' spreads look like? Are you doing a St. Patrick's Day theme? Are you not? Are you keeping a spring theme? Let me know in the comments. But thank you all for being by my side throughout this journey, and I can't wait to see where life takes us. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye, friends.